Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change a door rubber seal. First, gather your essential tools, including a flathead screwdriver, a utility knife, and some adhesive remover. Next, measure your door frame precisely to ensure you have the correct replacement rubber seal. A good fit is crucial for effective insulation. Finally, give the door frame a thorough cleaning to remove any dirt or debris, preparing a clean surface for the new seal. This preparation saves time and ensures a better bond. Now, let's remove the old seal. Begin by carefully prying it off with a flathead screwdriver, working your way around the door frame. If you encounter any stubborn sections or old adhesive, use a utility knife to cut through them. Once the bulk of the seal is removed, apply an adhesive remover to any remaining residue. Let it sit for a few minutes, then scrape the surface clean with a plastic scraper, ensuring a smooth, clean base for the new seal. With the old seal gone, it's time for the new one. Start by pressing the new rubber seal firmly into the groove at the top center of your door frame. Work your way down both sides, ensuring the seal is evenly seated and not stretched. Stretching can lead to gaps and reduced effectiveness. For a secure fit, gently tap the seal into place with a rubber mallet or the palm of your hand, paying extra attention to the corners for a tight seal. Finally, let's ensure your new seal is perfect. Close the door slowly and observe for any gaps or areas where the seal isn't making full contact. Make minor adjustments by gently pressing or pulling the seal until it sits perfectly. A great way to test the seal's effectiveness is the dollar bill test. Close the door on a dollar bill. If it's difficult to pull out, your seal is working wonderfully, providing excellent insulation and energy efficiency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.